I'm going to show you a side hustle beginners can start today that fixes one of the biggest problems small businesses have, and they don't even realize how much money it's costing them. It's called the AI Message Fixer, and if you stick around to the end, I'll show you how to turn a $5 message fix into a weekly client without doing any extra work. If you miss that part, you're leaving steady money on the table. Let's get moving on to what you're all here for. So here's the deal. Every business owner, every creator, every freelancer, they all send messages. They send DMs, they send follow-up messages, they answer questions, they pitch services, they confirm bookings, and 90% of those messages are sloppy. They're unclear. They're too long, too short, too robotic, too chaotic, and worst of all, they lose customers before the conversation even starts. This is where you come in. Your entire job is fixing their messages using AI. That's it. You take a bad message, drop it into ChatGPT, and give them back a clean, confident, professional version. It is stupid simple, but it has huge value because messaging is the first impression, and most people are terrible at it. Let me give you a real example. A client sends you this. Hey, sorry, I missed your call. I can maybe do Thursday IDK, let me know. You rewrite it into, hey, thanks for reaching out. Thursday works great, Van. I can do any time after 2. Just let me know what's easiest for you. That little shift makes them sound like someone who runs a real business, not someone who just rolled out of bed. Here's another one. A personal trainer trying to book clients. Their message says, prices are on my Insta, just check the link. You turn it into, absolutely, here's the link to my pricing. If you tell me your goal, I'll point you to the best program for you. That's a professional response. And it took you, what, 20 seconds? This side hustle works because messaging is emotional. People get nervous, they ramble, they overthink things, or they write too fast. You remove that stress. You give them confidence in writing, and confidence is something people pay for. Now here's the best part. You never write anything from scratch. The client always gives you their rough message. You paste it into AI and tell it, rewrite this message to sound clear, friendly, confident, and professional. Keep it under 3 sentences. Boom. Done. You can polish cold DMs, booking messages, customer replies, price explanations, follow-ups, apologies, reminders, and anything else they throw at you. Let's talk money, because this is the best cost-to-effort ratio of any side hustle you've done so far. Beginners charge $5 to $10 for a simple message fix. A quick set of 5 messages? That's $20 to $30. A full week of messaging templates, intros, follow-ups, reminders goes for $50. And if you do full message overhauls for business pages, you can charge $75 to $100 easily. This is tiny work. These are tiny tasks, and tiny tasks add up fast. Now let's talk niches, because this determines who you contact first. Messaging-heavy niches include hairstylists, tattoo artists, photographers, nail techs, cleaners, landscapers, Etsy sellers, realtors, personal trainers, coaches, car detailers, bakers. These people are drowning in messages every day, and most of those messages look like a toddler holding a phone with butter on their fingers. Now here's the part that makes this an actual income stream. The part beginners miss every time. When you fix someone's message, always say, if you want, I can handle all your messaging templates each week for $25. Any new message you need, I'll rewrite it for you. That's it. That one sentence turns a $5 gibi into a weekly drip of income. And here's the secret. Most people say yes because they hate writing. They hate sounding unprofessional. And after they see your fix, they never want to go back to doing it themselves. So here's what I want you to do today. Find one messy message from someone you know, a friend, a creator, a small business owner. Rewrite it using AI. Show them the before and after. They'll instantly understand the value. And once they do, the door is open for you to offer more. If you want a full set of messaging templates, prompts, and examples for this side hustle, just tell me. I'll build that for you in another video.